In this video, I am going to show you how to recover deleted stories on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, you have to tap on menu, which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now on your menu, you have to tap on the settings icon, which is present at the top right corner of your screen. Now on your settings, you have to tap on see more in account center. On your account center, you have to scroll down and tap on your information and permissions. Now from here, tap on download your information. So now you have to tap on download or transfer information. Now select your Facebook account as it is the one of which you want to recover the deleted stories. Then tap on next. Once you tap on next, you have to tap on specific types of information. So now you have to scroll down and tap on see more. Once you tap on see more, you have to again scroll down and select stories. Then tap on next. Once you tap on next, you have to select whether you want to recover your deleted stories as a file which will download to your device or you want to transfer them to a specific destination. So I will select download to device. Now you have to select the date range of that story which you want to recover. Like for example, if it was a story that was just of last week, so you have to select last week. But if it was some time ago, for example 3 months, 6 months or even the last year, you can recover all of them. So once you're done, you have to tap on save. Now you have to tap on create files and Facebook will recover all of your deleted stories, then notify the email that is being presented over here. Once they are done with the recovery of your stories, they will notify you on your email and you will receive the link for the recovered stories. So everyone, that's how you can recover deleted stories on Facebook. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.